So find the equivalent quarter interest of 5 or 8.5% annual rate. Okay? Take note po, from annual, gagawin natin siyang quarter. Pero ang gusto natin, equivalent. Okay? Equivalent quarter. Okay? So equivalent quarter, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung I. Okay? Yung I quarter natin. Okay? Ayan. So therefore, from quarter to annual and vice versa, so anong gagawin lang natin dyan? So this is by means of effective rates. So yung ating ER ng quarter is equal to ER or effective rates ng ating annual. Okay? So therefore, ano po ba ang ER? So 1 plus I. So that is 1 plus yung ating I quarterly raised to 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus I. Okay, ano yung I natin annually? So that is 8.5% per annum. So that is over 1 raised to 1 minus 1. Okay? So ano po ang ating I? Quarter. So tanggalin ko na lang yung ano dito, no? Yung minus 1 kasi magka-cancel rin yan. So that is 0.0206. Okay, or that is approximately 2.06%. Letter D. Okay, next, number 33. The process of outsmarting the search engine. So this is letter C, search engine optimization. Okay. Next tayo. When the circuit breakers are installed in enclosed switchboards, they are usually derated. Okay? Pinapababa natin, derated to a certain percentage. What is this percentage? Okay, so this is letter C, 80%. Okay, the rating. Okay, next tayo. Number 39. So what is the primarily purpose of PEC? So this is letter C. Practice safeguarding of person and properties. Next. Which of the following is an example of integrity violation of an e-commerce security? Okay? So syempre, yung pinaka-ano dito, yung pinaka-masama, that is letter D. An authorized person intercepts an online communication and changes its content. Okay? Nagpapalit. Okay? Kumbaga na-hack niya, then pinalitan niya yung mga nandun. Okay? Next. Number 41. So the velocity of an object changes from, okay, so yung velocity 1 natin, 30 miles per hour, and yung ating velocity 2, final velocity, 90 miles per hour. Find the ratio of its kinetic energy. So when we say ratio, that is final over initial. Okay? So that is KE2 over KE1. Okay, so this is now equal to 1/2 M1 V1 squared all over 1/2 M1 M2 V2 squared. Okay, pero take note, yung object na yun, hindi naman sinabi na nagbago yung mass niya. So, therefore, we can say that your mass 1 is equal to mass 2. Okay? So, cancel na to. Okay? Pati na rin tong 1/2. Okay? So, anong natira? V1 squared over V2 squared. So, yan lang naman yung nagbago. So, sige, kunin natin. So, this is 90 miles per hour, the quantity squared, over 30 miles per hour, the quantity squared. Okay, so this is 90 squared over 30 squared. So the ratio is 9. Okay, letter A. Next tayo. What are considered as the building blocks of engineering materials? So, this is building blocks. Okay, so that is atoms. Letter A. Okay. Next, number 43. Two balls are thrown from the roof of a building with the same initial speed. One is thrown horizontally. When we say horizontal, okay, theta equal to 0 degrees. Okay, walang angle, basta sinipan mo na lang. And while the other is thrown at an angle of 20 degrees above horizontal. Kumbaga, ito, pag ganyan lang yung palo mo, kumanyan, okay? Yung isa naman, merong, okay, may angle, okay? Pag ganyan. So, which hits the ground with the greatest initial or greatest speed, I should say. So, ignore air resistance. Okay? So, ano daw yung tatama dito sa ating, sa ating ground with the greatest speed. Okay? Ignore air resistance. Take note lang po, no? Okay? Yung ating velocity dito is constant yung kanyang x component. Okay? Ang nagbabago lang dito is yung ating y component because of your gravity. Okay? So, therefore, letter C pa rin po ito. They will hit the ground with the same speed. Okay? Magpaparehas pa rin sila. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo i-prove, pwede naman. So, that's by means of your formula, Vf squared is equal to Vo squared plus 2Ax. Pero take note, this is under y. Okay? Kasi projectile nga. Okay? Pero take note, yung ating Vox is equal to Vfx. Okay? Hindi magbabago yan. Okay, next tayo. Number 44. The number 100101 base 2 is equivalent to octal lang. Okay? So, from base 2, gagawin daw natin siyang octal. Okay? So, this is by means of mode, mode 4. Okay, type lang natin yung data. So, dapat naka-binary muna tayo. So, that is 100, 100, 101. Okay, press natin yung equals, then press lang natin yung octal, OCT. Okay? So, therefore, 100101 base 2 is equal to 45 base 8. That is letter B. Next, number 45. So, an escalator raises a 100 kilogram bucket of sand 10 meters in 1 minute, okay? Determine the total amount of work done during the process, okay? When we say work, that is equal only just to the force times distance, okay? Ano yung force natin dito? Ang nire-raise niya is 100 kilograms bucket, okay? So therefore, yung force natin dito is equal to the weight of the bucket, okay? Kasi yun naman yung ating kini-carry over, okay? So that is now equal to, yung ating work is equal to the weight multiplied by the distance, okay? Distance D, okay? So that is now equal to what? Ano ba ang weight? That is mass times gravity. So that is 100 multiplied by 9.81. Multiplied by yung ating distance na na-cover niya. So that is 10 meters. So, naka-Newton na to, no? Okay, Newton meter is joule. Okay? So, ano po ang ating work dito? Wait lang. 100 times 9.81 times 10. Okay, this is 9,810 joule. Or that is simply 9,800 joule. Okay, siguro 9.8 lang yung ginamit niya dito. So, letter A. Okay. Next, number 46. The mole is a basic unit of measurement in chemistry. Which of the following is not equal or not equal to, okay, or the same as 1 mole of the substance indicated, okay? Ito, nasa handouts nyo rin to, or nasa problem set nyo, okay? Pati sa quiz, meron rin to, okay? So, letter A is correct, okay? So, this is at STP. Then, letter B, correct rin to, okay? Yung ating letter C, correct rin to. Okay? 1 gram of hydrogen atom. Okay? H lang naman yan. Okay? 1:1. Pero ang mali dito, letter D. Bakit letter D? Take note po, oxygen molecules. When we say oxygen molecules, so oxygen here is a compound, free compound, which is oxygen gas. Okay? Kapag O2, so ilang gram per mole yan? Okay, so that is 16 times 2, which is 32 gram per mole. Big sabihin, sa isang mole, that is equal to 32 grams of oxygen gas. Okay, so therefore, mali to. Letter D yung correct answer. So, not equal. Ito dapat siya, 32. Okay. Next, number 47. Such as vehicles washing areas are classified as blank. Okay, laging basa. Vehicle. So that is letter A. Wet location. Next tayo. Number 48. What will you do when you install a new heatsink? So this is letter C. Insert thermal compound between processor and heatsink. Letter C. Okay, next, number 49. Ayan. Engineering materials. So, an inhomogeneous metallic plate containing a hole is heated sufficiently to cause an expansion. If the coefficient of surface expansion is linear, the area of the hole will what? Okay? So, this is letter B. Increase as the same as the area of the metal increases. Kasi nga linear. Okay? Linear. So, kapag linear, meaning they are directly proportional. So, kapag tumaas yung area, tataas rin yung ating other parameters. Yung expansion natin will also increase. Okay? Next, number 50 before mag-break. So, a gas expands at a constant pressure of 600 kPa. So, that's your work. Okay? So, 600 kPa. Or, mali. Wait lang. So, pressure pala to, no? Okay? Constant pressure. So, P is equal to 600 kPa. So, gawin na lang natin siyang SI. So, this is 600 kilonewton per cubic or per square meter. So, during the expansion, ito na yung work natin. So, 54 kilojoules are work done. So, this is not 8, no? Okay, are work done by the gas. Take note po, by the gas. So, kapag by the gas, okay, meaning negative yung work, okay? Yung mismong system yung gumawa ng work. Okay? Work done by the gas. So, therefore, or baliktad, yung mismong object yung gumawa, okay? Hindi yung system kasi by the gas. Ayan. So, meaning negative. Okay, negative 54 kilojoule. Kilojoule is kilonewton meter. Ayan. So, if T1 is equal to 290 Kelvin and V1 is equal to 0.01 cubic meter, find the final temperature of the gas, T2. Okay? Ayan. Take note po, constant pressure tayo. So, this is isobaric process. And since mayroon tayong work done, okay, na sinabi dito, dun tayo kukuha ng formula that the work done of the system is equal to what? That is equal to the negative P times delta V. Okay? Ayan. So, yan po ang ating pinaka-base na formula dito since ang binigay, work done. Okay? So, therefore, this is now negative 54 kilonewton meter is equal to yung ating negative pressure. So, negative 600 kilonewton per meter squared multiplied by the change in volume. Okay? So, when we say change, that is final minus initial. Okay? So, yung ating final hindi binigay, initial binigay, 0.01 cubic meter. Okay? So, makukuha natin yung V2. So, sige. Try natin. So, negative 54 is equal to 600. Negative 600 times x minus 0.01. So, this is 0.1 cubic meter. Okay? Then, anong gagawin na natin? Okay? Kunin natin yung ating T2 by means of Charles' law. Okay? Bakit Charles' law, sir? Constant yung pressure natin. Isobaric po yung process. Okay? So, that is V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. So, therefore, this is equal to 0.01 cubic meter all over T1, which is 290 Kelvin, is equal to 0.1 cubic meter all over T2. Makukuha natin yung T2. Sige, pakisolve. Okay, so this is 2,900 Kelvin. And that's letter C. Okay. So after installing a new modem and a router to a computer, what is the order of turning on? Okay, so kapag mag-install ka, so this is from modem, then going to the router, then going to the computer. Okay, so from your input, then punta ka sa susunod, then punta ka na sa output. Yun yung last stage. Okay. Next, number 52. What is the force per unit area? So that is letter C, pressure. Okay, force per unit area. Next, number 53. The product of binary, so that is 101, 101, multiplied by 11 is equal to blank. Okay, so mode 4 lang ito. So, set up lang natin sa binary yung ating calculator. Mode 4. Then, set up natin sa binary. So, that is 101 multiplied by 11. Okay, so that is 1111. Okay, that is letter C. Next, number 54. What are van der Waals forces? So this is weak secondary bonds between atoms. Letter A. Next, which is not used in web development? This is Fortran. Okay, so bakit po Fortran? Kasi siya ay programming language. Okay, for computation. Okay, for XML, HTML, and JavaScript. So that is for web development. Okay. Mga cascading style sheets natin. Next, number 56. So which of the following is not a hazardous practice? So not a hazardous. Okay, so letter A, standard. Okay, use of proper tools. Number 57. It is a colorless liquid with bitter taste and it is used in the manufacture of acetone and glycerin. This is letter B, isopropyl. Isopropyl alcohol. Next. What is the amount of heat needed to turn 1 kilogram of the substance at its melting point? Okay? Take note po, melting point. So, which is from solid the liquid state. Okay? Tutunawin mo siya from solid, papapuntahin mo sa liquid. Okay? So, that is heat of fusion. So, since dalawa yung heat of fusion dito, ang tamang sagot is letter A. Okay? Wrong po yung letter D, no? Kung sinong nauna, siya yung iti-take into account natin. Okay? Letter A lang po. So, masanay na tayo dito, no? Kapag dalawa yung tamang sagot dun sa choices natin, i-consider lang natin yung pinakauna. Okay? So, next, number 59. Okay? 59 tayo. What is the percentage of mathematics subject? That is letter D. Okay? Under RA 7920. Next, number 60. Okay. Engineering economy. Mr. Cruz borrowed 12,000 pesos at an interest of 10% per annum. So, nakatanggap daw si Mr. Cruz. So, meaning pataas. Okay, 12K. Year 0. Then, yung ating interest, so 10% per annum or per year. Now, find the lump sum that he will pay at the end of 4 years. Okay, tumanggap ka, syempre, magbabayad ka after a certain time. So, hanapin daw natin itong F after 4 years. Okay, so yung ating present worth na lang, i-project na lang natin sa F. Okay, so, that is F now equal to P multiplied by 1 plus I raised to N, which is equal to 12K multiplied by 1 plus, okay, 10%, or gawin ko na lang 1.1 ito, no? So, this is the quantity raised to 4. So, therefore, this is equal now to 1 time 12K times 1.1 raised to 4. That is equal to 17,569.2. And that is letter A. Next.